Avoid stopping at the scene of a collision unless A. You have the skills to help. B. You are instructed to do so by an authority. C. It is safe to stop and you can assist responsibly. D. Under no circumstances. Answer A. You have the skills to help. Stopping at a collision scene without proper skills can cause additional hazards or delay professional assistance. Only stop if you can safely help. To avoid emergency situations. A. Keep your eyes moving. B. Look at objects far and near. C. Look at left and right. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. Defensive driving involves being alert to your surroundings by scanning the road, checking your mirrors, and observing objects in all directions to anticipate and avoid emergencies. If the collision involves a parked car or other property and you can't locate the owner, A. Call the police and wait for them to arrive. B. Leave your name and address at the scene. C. Drive away if the damage seems minor. D. Notify your insurance company immediately. Answer B. If the owner of the damaged property is unavailable, it is your legal obligation to leave your contact information at the scene to take responsibility for the incident. Why are the wheels turned sharply to the right? A. The car is parked facing uphill, without a curb. B. The car is parked facing downhill. C. The car is parked facing uphill, against a curb. D. None of the above. Answer A. The car is parked facing uphill, without a curb. When parking uphill without a curb, turning the wheels to the right ensures that the car will roll away from the road if the brakes fail. A car parked on an incline can roll downhill, forward, or backward. A. If the parking brake is not set. B. Only if the transmission is in neutral. C. Even if the wheels are turned. D. None of the above. Answer A. Setting the parking brake is essential to prevent a car from rolling on an incline, regardless of the transmission or wheel position. Pedestrians in a crosswalk have the right of way over. A. Only vehicles in residential areas. B. Only vehicles turning left or right. C. Most vehicles, whether the crosswalk is marked or not. D. No vehicles, unless the crosswalk is marked. Answer C. Pedestrians have the right of way in crosswalks, marked or unmarked, to ensure their safety. What should you not do when a pedestrian is crossing in front of your car? A. Honk your horn to alert them. B. Gun your engine to intimidate them. C. Rush or scare them even if you have the legal right of way. D. All of the above. Answer D. All of the above. It is important to respect pedestrians and avoid actions that could rush or scare them even if you legally have the right of way. If you see the car in the lane next to you stop suddenly for no apparent reason, you should A. Slow down and look out. B. Slowly pass the car. C. Continue driving at the same speed. D. Honk your horn to alert the driver. Answer A. Slow down and look out. A sudden stop by another driver could indicate an emergency or hazard. For example, the driver may be stopped for a pedestrian. Slowing down and being cautious is the safest response. What does this sign mean? A. Do not enter. B. Not allowed. C. Restricted area. D. Stop and wait. Answer B. Not allowed. A red circle with a line through it universally indicates prohibition, meaning an action is not allowed. What does this sign indicate? A. The roadway ahead is for one-way traffic coming toward you. B. You may proceed if the road is clear. C. You must slow down and yield to other vehicles. D. The road is closed for maintenance. Answer A. A do not enter sign warns drivers not to enter a road or area where traffic is moving in the opposite direction. This speed limit sign indicates A. The lowest speed you must travel. B. The maximum speed you can travel under ideal conditions. C. The recommended speed for the area. D. The speed at which you must travel at all times. Answer B. Speed limit signs provide the highest legal speed under ideal driving conditions. What does the advance warning sign for railroad tracks indicate? A. Slow down and be prepared to stop. B. You can cross without stopping if no train is visible. C. The railroad crossing is not in use. D. You must stop within 15 to 50 feet of the first track. Answer D. You are approaching a railroad crossing, slow down and be prepared to stop within 15 to 50 feet of the first track. What does the color orange on a road sign indicate? A. A construction or work zone is ahead. B. A railroad crossing is nearby. C. A school zone is approaching. D. A pedestrian crossing is ahead. Answer A. Orange is universally used to signal construction or work zones to alert drivers to potential hazards. What does this emblem indicate? A. The vehicle is traveling at a speed of 35 miles per hour or less. B. The vehicle is traveling at a speed of 25 miles per hour or less. C. The vehicle is involved in a traffic stop. D. The vehicle is stationary on the highway. Answer B. The slow-moving vehicle emblem is placed on vehicles, such as agricultural and maintenance equipment, traveling at slow speeds to alert other road users. A vehicle must stop how far away for a blind person in the roadway or at an intersection? A. 10 feet. B. 15 feet. C. 20 feet. D. 25 feet. Answer B. 15 feet. Drivers are required to stop at least 15 feet away to ensure the safety of blind pedestrians navigating the roadway or an intersection. If your car is not in good condition or you can't or don't want to drive at or above the minimum speed limit, you should A. Use the expressway cautiously. B. Avoid using the expressway. C. Drive in the left-hand lane of the expressway. D. Follow the traffic at any speed you are comfortable with. Answer B. Avoid using the expressway. Expressways are designed for high-speed traffic. Vehicles unable to meet the minimum speed limit can disrupt the flow and create unsafe conditions. When driving slower than other traffic, which lane should you use? A. Left-hand lane. B. Middle lane. C. Right-hand lane. D. Any lane available. Answer C. The right-hand lane is designated for slower-moving traffic, allowing faster vehicles to pass on the left safely. How far ahead should you watch for braking, entering, and exiting cars? A. 5 to 10 seconds. B. 10 to 15 seconds. C. 15 to 20 seconds. D. 20 to 25 seconds. Answer C. Scanning the road 15 to 20 seconds ahead helps anticipate changes in traffic and avoid sudden reactions, ensuring smoother and safer driving. What is the recommended following distance behind the vehicle in front of you? A. 2 seconds in good weather, 3 seconds in bad weather. B. 3 seconds in good weather, 4 seconds in bad weather. C. 4 seconds in good weather, 5 seconds in bad weather. D. 5 seconds in all conditions. Answer B. Maintaining a safe following distance allows adequate time to react to sudden changes in traffic, with extra distance needed in poor weather. When the vehicle in front of you is making or about to make a left turn, you may legally pass on the right if A. You drive off the pavement or main portion of the highway. B. There is an open lane on the right. C. You are in a hurry. D. None of the above. Answer D. None of the above. It is never legal to pass on the right by driving off the pavement or main roadway, as it endangers others and violates traffic laws.